Namaskar, I am Dr. Garg. Today I am going to tell you how egg is useful for your hair. You love hair, I know, and you want to take care of that. How you can, why, and how the egg is going to help you, I am going to tell you. This is the normal photograph, electron microscopic picture of your hair. I think you will be happy to see this, how beautiful it looks. And a smooth hair which you think is basically has got a shingles, one over the another. And these bindings, these shingles are adherent to each other and providing the flexibility and the strength to your hair filament. And hair has got 65 to 95% of the protein, it has got water and a lipoprotein layer over the hair fiber which gives the smoothness and glow. The protein is mainly the keratin. Keratin is made of the cysteine, which is a sulfur containing amino acid. That is the main part, although other amino acids are used, but main amino acids for the formation or for the synthesis of the hair filament is the sulfur containing cysteine. Hair health depends on two things. One thing is the nutrients. Why? Because the production of hair takes place in a factory that called as hair follicle. This hair follicle is all over the body, as we are mainly discussed with the scalp. So scalp hair follicles is the smallest organ in the body which synthesizes or which we make or which produce the hair fiber. So we need to understand when a factory will give you the good products. If you provide good raw material, good quality and enough in amount, the factory will make good production. Means if you provide proteins, vitamins, iron, zinc and other micronutrients, then and they should be available to the hair follicle will make a healthy hair. Second thing is the external trauma or the damage to the hair follicle. As you must understand, hair filament or a hair fiber is a dead structure. So any trauma from outside will affect your hair health because it's a dead structure. The most common cause of hair damage is done by your hot air which you use to dry up your hair. Next is the straightening. Here during the hair straightening, you use the heat to straighten the hair proteins. That causes the gross damage to your hair filament. And like other doctors sees many of the cases in their outdoor in which the patient gives a history that they went to the parlor, they got their hair straightening done and after that they had the massive loss of hair because they got damaged. And what happens with the dry hot air which you use to blow your hair or to dry your hair is because there is a water in the hair filament. When you use heat air, because of the heat, the water inside gets evaporated and forms the bubble, and the place where the bubble is formed, the hair gets weakened up and the hair breaks. This you can see the split hair because of the low protein content, deficiency of protein and vitamins, iron, the hair filament becomes weak. Or if you are causing trauma because of the rough handling, rough combing, hot air or straightening, the hair and gets split or they get damaged. This is another beautiful pictures. I have put it purposely so you understand that every action of you, if you are not doing it properly, lovingly, you are not behaving with your hair lovingly, they causes the gross damage and ultimately those hair gets lost or because they break. This isolated picture just I have put so that you understand the shingles which were attached to each other, they get open up, the cortex gets exposed and hair gets more vulnerable to the trauma. The egg, which I am going to tell you, egg we all know has got two parts, egg white and egg yellow. Both can be used to make the hair mask, and both are equally good. What the egg contains, mainly the protein, then they contain the lipids, vitamins, irons, and many other things. They help you in many ways. Like egg has got, I said, the mainly amino acids, the protein, high quality, and almost all the essential amino acids are there in the egg, and that content is almost 10 to 12 gram per percent. Means if egg of 55 or 60 gram is there, then that has got almost the 7 gram of the protein, 5 to 6 gram of the fat, and they built up, they help in building up your body, muscles, skin, hair, nails, everything. They makes your immune system, they help in fighting against the infection and makes your body strong. Then how it can be used? The egg white, egg yellow, with or without any oil like coconut oil, olive oil, or sometimes the honey can be mixed to make your hair mask for the protein treatment of damaged hair. So that's how you can see one photo previous in which the rough frizzy hair, and another picture after the use of the hair mask made by your egg. Now I'll tell you how this is going to work. This is one picture first you see in which the healthy hair shingles are attached to each other. In early damage they gets opened up, but cortex is still intact. But if the damage further advances, means more damage, shingles get open up, cortex gets open, and even the cortex gets damaged, and from here the hair fiber breaks. Now how to use it? First picture is showing you the rough hair, frizzy hair. Then you take 2 eggs, break them in a bowl. If you don't like egg yellow, no problem, you use only egg white. Then you mix olive oil or coconut oil into it, just make a paste of it properly and apply over all the hair, and see it that this egg mask is applied to each and every hair fiber properly, and leave it for 30 minutes or so, and then after that you clean it properly. Egg yellow can be used. It is also rich in high quality protein, vitamin D, vitamin A, biotin, nutrients, and it can be used same as egg white. You can, as I am repeating again, egg white, egg yellow, both or independently, mixed with olive oil, coconut oil, or independent. But it is good that if you mix some oil and make paste of it, that will be more helpful. This is how it works. Hair fiber, because of the trauma by the your blower or during the straightening procedure, the hair gets damaged, cuticle gets exposed, then you apply the egg mask, they makes a coating, and now you can see in the last picture it looks so covered with your egg mask. All damaged part has been filled up by the protein, and hair fiber becomes smooth, shiny and glowing. That's how that lady looks like. So that's how I told you what is the mechanism of getting injury to the hair fiber, and how you can prevent it, and how you can treat at home rather than going to any beautician. Of course, there is no harm in going to a good beautician who is experienced enough, but these things you can do at home by your own. Thank you very much.